Welcome to my channel, Gosia at Home Cooking. Today episode will be about delicious stuff, jumbo shells with white cheese and spinach. It's very simple recipe and I hope you enjoy. I pre-cook jumbo shells, 1 box, about 12 ounces, white cheese, about 2 cups. I use homemade cheese, white cheese. You can find a recipe on my channel. 4 tablespoons of green parsley, 1 cup of shredded yellow cheese. I use Ballshannon yellow cheese. You can use any cheese you like, but this one is my favorite. Ragu sauce, 2 eggs, spinach, about 2 cups, 6 dry tomatoes, black pepper, salt and oregano, white cheese. I'm making stuffing right now for jumbo shells, 2 eggs, green parsley, yellow cheese, about half a cup, dry tomatoes, and the last part, spinach, chopped spinach, salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano. Mix everything is combined. Be very nice healthy dish with spinach and dry tomatoes and white cheese. This is my very favorite dish and my family enjoy a lot. Simple and delicious. Next step, I will fill jumbo shells. At the bottom I put the ragu sauce. I will fill each shell with cheesy filling. A little bit, about 1 tablespoon. Simple technique, and just continue fill all the shells. Next part, ragu sauce. And cheese. Very simple and very tasty dish. It looks elegant. You will enjoy. Stuffed shells I put in oven 350 degrees and I will bake till cheese is nice and melt. It takes 25 minutes. Stuffed jumbo shells with cheese and spinach done. If you like this video, make sure give me thumbs up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipe. I make new recipe once a week. Thank you for watching. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego and see you soon.